The Skar Audio SDR-10 is a popular choice among entry-level subwoofers, offering a 10-inch size, decent RMS power rating, and aggressive branding at a competitive price. It's marketed as a high-output solution for budget builds. But despite the hype, there are several issues that raise questions about its long-term reliability and performance. First, the voice coil is prone to overheating. While it's rated for 600 watts RMS, the sub struggles to handle sustained power during long listening sessions. Users often report a noticeable drop in output or outright failure after moderate to heavy use, especially when not tuned perfectly. Second, distortion becomes a problem at high volumes. The SDR-10 is designed to be loud, but as you push it closer to its rated limits, the sound gets muddy and uncontrolled. The bass loses clarity and punch, especially in sealed enclosures where excursion is more restricted. Third, it's very box sensitive. While Skar offers general recommendations, the SDR-10 doesn't perform consistently in prefab or universal enclosures. Without proper airspace and tuning, output can drop dramatically and distortion increases. Many users don't get the performance they expect simply because the box isn't matched well. Fourth, build consistency is a concern. While some units perform as expected, others show early signs of wear, including cone noise, loose terminals, or tinsel lead slap. Quality control appears to vary between batches, and reliability often depends on whether you got a good unit or a weak one. Fifth, it's not efficient. Compared to similarly priced subs, the SDR-10 needs more power to achieve similar output levels. This makes it harder to pair with budget amps or stock electrical systems, where it can underperform due to voltage drops or clipping. Sixth, mechanical durability is limited. The suspension and spider assembly don't always hold up under real-world stress, especially when installed in ported enclosures and played at high excursion. Premature wear or damage is not uncommon with aggressive use. Seventh, warranty support can be slow. While Skar offers a warranty, users have reported delays in customer service and difficulty proving warranty claims, especially for thermal damage or mechanical failure that's common with this model. In summary, the Skar SDR-10 is a decent budget sub on paper, but heat issues, distortion, and inconsistent build quality make it a gamble. For those wanting reliable daily bass, there are better engineered options worth considering.